Hey guys, Fred here, VE3FAL, Ontario Northwest Bushcrafter and Outdoors. I am going to try the 0356 Zulu Pass AO92. I had good success an hour and a bit ago working a bunch of folks on AO92 from EO60. So we are going to try the 0356 Pass from Nakina Ontario, also known as Greenstone Ontario, and we are gonna give this a whirl here. Victor Echo 3 Foxtrot Alpha Lima Echo Oscar 60. Alpha Delta Zero Hotel Juliet to Victor Echo 3 Foxtrot Alpha Lima. Alpha Delta Zero Hotel Juliet to Victor Echo 3 Foxtrot Alpha Lima. Alpha Delta Zero Juliet Hotel Victor Echo 3 Foxtrot Alpha Lima.
November Delta Zero Charlie, thank you very much. 59 Delta Lima 80. USL 73, my friend.
Alpha Delta Zero Hotel Juliet to Victor Echo 3 Foxtrot Alpha Lima. This is Victor Echo 3 Foxtrot Alpha Lima Echo Oscar 60.
V3FAL November Delta Zero Charlie, Echo November 23.
I copy Echo November 23 VE3FAL EO60, thanks. KB6LTY Victor Echo 3 Foxtrot Alpha Lima EO60. The Echo Alpha Tango station, say again, VE3FAL EO60. This is Victor Echo 3 Foxtrot Alpha Lima EO60. KI4RO Victor Echo 3 Foxtrot Alpha Lima EO60. Thanks for the Echo Mary 88. November 8 Echo Alpha Tango Victor Echo 3 Foxtrot Alpha Lima EO60.
Uniform Mike EN52.
November 9 Echo Alpha Tango VE3 FAL EO60. Thank you very much, VE3 FAL EO60. N9 Uniform Mike Victor Echo 3 Foxtrot Alpha Lima EO60. Alpha Delta Zero Hotel Juliet to Victor Echo 3 Foxtrot Alpha Lima EO60. November 9 station, say again. Okay, November 9 Uniform Mike Victor Echo 3 Foxtrot Alpha Lima EO60.
Roger, roger. Thank you.
Victor Echo 5 Sugar Whiskey Lima Victor Echo 3 Foxtrot Alpha Lima EO60. Victor Echo 5 Sugar Whiskey Lima Victor Echo 3 Foxtrot Alpha Lima EO60. Thanks a lot. Victor Echo 3 Foxtrot Alpha Lima EO60. All right, there we go. We have another pass, another successful pass on AO92 from EO60, which is Nakina Greenstone. Thanks for watching, guys. Fred, VE3FAL, Ontario Northwest Bushcrafter and Outdoors 73.